Yo, what's good, everybody? It's Unnoticed. I'm gonna just be going over some things I just wanted to talk about. Just kind of like the future of this channel and like what everything that I have planned for this. I'm gonna be smoking a J right now by Ember Valley, some fire. We got Jack Cake. Shit smacks. And I got some beats in the back just to catch a vibe. But yeah, I'm just gonna go over like the future of this channel and what I want to be doing. I'm gonna be staying more active on here. I'm gonna probably doing more vlog style videos where I just kind of show you the day-to-day. Kind of just had this idea, like I get money and then I lose it. I keep getting money because, you know, life and shit. So I just kind of want to show you guys like going from $0 to, you know, hustling and making money as a producer, and just kind of showing the day in the life of what I do. I'm gonna be making beats, doing live streams, so you'll definitely see a lot of live stream content on here as well, and like my doll, me cooking up, and kind of just want to show you guys behind the scenes of everything I'm doing, do some tutorials and stuff. I'll be doing a lot of tutorials on how to make beats and stuff. But I also want to be showing you guys like the studio sessions I'm going to be going to, the fun stuff I do. I'm just giving producer tips. I've been in the game for about 7 years or more. I think like 7-8 years I've been producing. Whew. Shit is terps. But yeah, 7-8 years I've been producing. But it's about 1 year, maybe a little less, like a little less than a year that I've been taking producing seriously. I'm an artist as well, so I make rap, I make tracks, with my homie Lion Man for Organics Only. That's my music. So the whole time I've been producing, I've just been only producing for that and engineering as well. But now I'm actually trying to get some placements and collab with more producers. Just be on the producer side of things, making kits and stuff. So I just want to show you guys my process and document my process. My bad, the camera cut out. Ran out of memory, so I had to just delete some shit. But yeah, I just kind of just want to document my process. Sorry if the angle's all fucked up, by the way. But I just kind of want to document my process for not only me, but just to show you guys the beginning, you know, because this is like the beginning. I've been producing, so I have the beat side of things, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can produce hard shit because I've been producing for a while, but I haven't really focused on the business side. So it's gonna be kind of cool to just document my experience and everything, and just show you guys it's possible from scratch. Because usually people show you stuff where they already got shit going. But I'm from LA, like area, California. So I'm blessed to be like around all the opportunities and stuff. So I'm gonna be trying to tap in with more producers and more artists out here, and just trying to keep getting in the industry more and more. And just show you guys this side of things, and maybe you guys can get inspired or get some knowledge. And if you guys learn some stuff, that's the best thing that can come from this for me, you know. And I just want to look back on this and just see how far I've come, remembering the days that I was scraping by, barely any money in my name, and trying to fucking make it. So expect a lot of mostly vlog style videos, not only producing, just all types of shit. producing is always gonna be in the videos. I produce every single day, so you're always gonna see a beat, me making something. And I'm probably gonna put maybe a couple days together, or maybe just one if it's a lot of stuff. But I'm gonna show you all the other stuff I love, like comedy. I love going to amusement parks and traveling, so I really want to show that side of stuff. So I'm really excited to start this journey. I'm gonna also be making tracks continuously, so I'll be mixing and showing you guys how to mix as well if you guys want to learn how to mix vocals and just kind of get maybe some inspiration for what I do, apply it to your own music. And I'll be dropping free stuff all the time for the community. I just kind of want to grow a community, learn more about you guys while you guys learn more about me, and maybe we can all link up in the future. That shit would be so dope, you know? For the people already watching and subs, I appreciate you. If you go to the bottom of this, you can download right now 1,000 free sounds, get you started on producing. And I'm gonna be making a lot of videos, or like I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos already been recording, and it's all used with this pack I've been putting together. So yeah, I'm just really hyped to fucking yeah, I'm honestly hyped for this road. I'm just gonna keep going crazy, show you guys and try to inspire you guys. Like, I have a lot of health problems at the moment, trying to figure that out. So like, I've been eating healthy, trying to exercise every day. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the gym, the food I'm eating, the music, the inspiration, the people who inspire me. Just, I don't know, man. I'm just excited for this shit. And I want you guys to hold me accountable if I start teetering off or getting unmotivated or lazy. But at the end of the day, I'm doing this shit for me. And I think that's what you gotta really do. If you just do things for you, everything else comes with it. Like, you can't focus on all the other shit. Just do what you enjoy, and everything will come with it. That's the main thing I've learned. This beat is fucking crazy. This fucking noise I added. I'm just looking out for some cops right now. Don't smoke in public, guys. And tweakers. Damn, my fucking speakers are fucking up. Damn. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to learn anything, if you guys have any ideas for tutorials or any videos you want to see, shit is fire, guys. I'm just like, I remember the day when I was fucking in high school, and I'm 27 years old right now. I was in high school, like, dropped out, trying to learn how to fucking put a beat together, and now I'm making shit I never thought I can make. And if you just keep thinking it like that, you won't ever get burnt out, because you're always gonna be like, I remember when I couldn't make shit, so you're just so fucking grateful you can't even make anything, you know what I'm saying? So just keep that same mindset, always be grateful for where you're at, even, because there's gonna become a day where you're 8-7 years into this shit, and you're gonna be feeling so like numb to everything you make. But that's because you just need to take a break, reflect on what you're doing, and come back, and you're gonna have a crazier mindset. Just always stay inspired, always keep learning, always keep playing with new tools. Do things that you think were wrong before and try them now, and do things that inspire you, you know what I'm saying? So, this J's almost done. If you stayed to the end of this video, I appreciate you. And I'm hyped to fucking I really have to drive now, man. Like, I have a really good drive, so always stay. My bad if I look all fucking tripping right now, cause it's so sketch. Someone just pulled up. California ain't it really, bro. It's like fucking watch your back central. But shout out Bones. I'm about to get some shit with him for sure. That's next on the agenda. So yeah, this was already got a homie over here staring. It's all good though. Hey guys, if you have anything you want to see, just drop them down in the comments, and I'm gonna attack it, because I just want to if I know how to do something, I want to show you how to do it. So let me know what you want to see, and then I got about and if you're an artist trying to collab, let's collab. I got a type beat channel, and I do 50-50 profit free beats, so you know, just grab a beat or hit me up and I'll send you a beat 50-50, or if you want to just buy a beat, let me know. I'll be dropping free beat packs as well for all the producers, so if you want to just practice or something, you know, jump on one of my free beats in the beat packs, and go ahead and then go ahead and tag me on IG, and I'll repost it and everything. So, and don't forget to download the free sounds in the description so you can get started as a producer, or if you're like years in it like me, then you know, there's a lot of shit you can make. Some textures, phrases, accents, starters. It's pretty fucking fire. Also, if you guys make some fire beats, send them my way, and maybe I'll send them out. I appreciate y'all for watching, and until next time, peace.